Hello friends, today we are study local time and standard time. So first of all, what is local time? Local time when the time of a place is decided on the basis of relative position of a sun at a particular longitude. It is a local time. Thus the longitude helps in finding local time. Local time is the key of longitude because longitude is the important for helping the finding of local time. So now coming on standard time, the local time of a standard meridian of a country time zone is the standard time. So any standard time of any country is passing through the center of a country, like the India standard time is passing through the Naini Prayag UP, and the degree is 82.5 degree, which is this is topic of cancer. This is IST.